If you're looking for a gallery on Motorola Moto G87, then you can simply use the Photos app provided by Google, which should be available on the home screen by default somewhere over here. In my case, it is in this place. And as you can see, we can find our photos and videos that we have on our phone very easily. You can also go to the app drawer and try to find the Photos app, for example, here in this Google folder. So here it is. And I know it's not really called Gallery, it's called Photos instead, but still you can find all photos and videos on your device just like that. It looks like a gallery, it works like a gallery. It has the photo editor like a typical gallery as well, so you should be able to do pretty much anything you can usually do in the gallery. So you should be able to use that. But in case you don't like this Photos app, then you can also use the Files app, which is also provided by Google. And this is actually the file manager, not really like a gallery, but more like a file manager, because you can find not only photos and videos, but also your audio files and documents and other stuff as well. So still, you should be able to go to, for example, this images category, and you should be able to find all your stuff in here. You can still open your photos and videos over here. You can still edit these things as well. And you actually open the photo editor from the Photos app anyway. So it's up to you which one you prefer to use. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.